Tortellini, it's a way to define where you come from. Ravioli, tortellini, to me, are a container of ideas. You can put everything inside to express yourself. Hi, I am Massimo Bottura, and I'm the chef at the Osteria Francescana. The tortellini, usually, they were served in two different sauces. One, to make the filling express himself. On the other side, the kids, they eating tortellini, cooked in a freshly daily cream from the milk of Parmigiano Reggiano. I extract this idea of to be kids again. I create the third compromise. It's not with the cream, but it's with Parmigiano Reggiano creamy sauce. It's a perfectly balanced mixture between Parmigiano Reggiano. Then you mix with mortadella and prosciutto, both. You put a little bit of pork, cook the tortellini into the chicken broth to give this flavor, and we want to pour the sauce, the Parmigiano sauce on top of that, and to recreate the perfect umami in the palate. In my mind, what I'm shaping is like creating this idea of feeding people with emotion and make them feel kids again. I'm cooking like a kid every day.